Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I bet you never thought to rub ketchup all over this. Let me show you something real disgusting. There's only two things that you're gonna need for this super cool cleaning hack, life hack. A toothbrush, this will come in handy, and some good old ketchup. We'll talk about why ketchup works so well in just a second here, but you can already see on this faucet, let me get you in really close. Do you see right here all of this lime scale and mineral buildup along the side? Oftentimes too, you can see a little tint of yellowing around the drain right here. We're gonna take care of that. Let's flip you on the underside too, because that is gonna be super satisfying and a great transformation. There we go. It's tricky to get my camera to autofocus. Can you see on the underside? All that gross mineral deposit and buildup makes your sink run slower, less efficient, lose money. Let's take care of it. Go ahead, get some ketchup in here. There we go. Ketchup's great because it's sticky. It sticks to things. So there's certainly other products that you can use that are on the market, but we want to let this sit for a while. If you have a really bad sink, we're going to call this cleaning while you sleep. Get it stuck up in there. There we go. And then I like to do right around the drain as well. Soak it on in there. There we go. Let it sit, do its job, and then we're gonna come back and it's gonna look so good. Here we go. I let this sit about an hour. Let's get our water running and let's see what we are working with. See if we got all those mineral deposits and yellowing up. Here we go, along the side where we had all that white caked on. So good. All right, let's flip you underneath. Had to opt for the phone on this one. All right, you can see right there. Sorry guys, this is like really close up shot, but look at her there. Looking so much better, yes. Right here along the drain, it's looking white and bright. All right, why does this ketchup work so well? This is great for rust. It's because one of the main ingredients in here is distilled vinegar, which is acidic and breaks down those mineral deposits. Now, if you absolutely hate this idea, my friend, I do love a good SOS pad. These are great for tile floors, utensils, refrigerator shelves, basically anything. Glass shower doors. If you've tried either of these methods, let us know in that comments box below. Give this video a thumbs. Click this video on screen now for more amazing and clever life and cleaning hacks. We'll see you, my friend, in the next one.